If ARC Raiders isn't connecting, logging in, or letting you play right now, you're not alone. In this video, I'll explain what's happening, how to confirm whether ARC Raiders is actually down, and what you can do while the servers are having issues. First, check if this is a real outage. Go to Down Detector and search for ARC Raiders. If you see a sudden spike in reports within a short time window, that confirms a server-side problem. When reports jump like this, the issue is almost always on the game's servers, not your device or internet. If you want to quickly rule out local issues, fully close ARC Raiders and restart it once. Make sure the game is completely closed, not running in the background. Then restart your PC or console before trying again. Next, check your internet connection. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and a wired connection. On console, run a network test from system settings. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. Online games often block or struggle with VPN connections during server instability. If you're seeing messages like failed to connect, server not responding, or endless matchmaking, this usually means ARC Raiders servers are overloaded or temporarily down. In these cases, reinstalling the game, clearing data, or changing graphics settings will not help and is not recommended. The best thing to do during a confirmed outage is to wait. Server issues like this usually resolve within minutes to a few hours. You can monitor updates by checking ARC Raiders' official social media accounts, where the developers typically acknowledge outages and post progress on updates. Once servers start coming back online, launch the game again. If you still have trouble connecting, restart your system one more time and make sure the game is fully updated before trying again. If this video helped explain what's going on with the ARC Raiders outage, leave a like, share it with other players who are stuck, and subscribe for fast updates and fixes for game and tech issues.